What is going on, YouTube? We got another video coming out for you today. Got the Scatpack right here. Excuse that bird shit. She's still... Ooh, I don't know if you guys heard that. She's still dirty, I must say. But we got a little treat coming out for you guys. We're gonna test out the radar detector today. We're gonna do a little Mexico night. We got a Mustang GT that's about to pull in, and we're gonna see what's good with it. Last race I've ever done was with Ben, which is on the channel, so yeah, you can hear this guy. Yeah, so we're gonna go get it. We're gonna go to Mexico, hit the streets, be safe as always, and we're gonna see the end result by the end of the night. I was coming around the top, but
yeah, this car ruined it.
That was close.
That was
he pulled on me.
Barely though.
Yeah, I know. It was like
literally
little
like dead,
less than
like
half a car.
Yeah, that was sick. Yeah, I think top end, like you're like maybe from the 55.
Yeah.
That's sick.
I felt like I could have downshifted one more time, but I didn't want to.
What were you at? Second or third?
I think it was third. I was at like 35 or 4.
Yeah, you probably could have gone down more.
Damn, I got that recorded.